put the rotor cap on backwards. Fuel in there. Let's get a spark. Oh, wow, I don't think you have a spark. Oh, well, that explains it. I got Motorcraft plugs in a Chevy. AC Delco. R4014. That's what it's supposed to be. Get this cap off. Stuff all looks brand new. Don't even see any. Put the rotor cap on backwards. There's a square on that side and a circle on that side, and I totally missed it. I confirm this did work. It's hard to see, but it did work. See if we can't get this thing to fire.